The next option in the post tab is category. Here we will click on that category. We will be able to create a new category. We will provide the name of that category. Slug name, there should be no space in the slug name. Also we can set the parent category of this category and provide the description of the category. And after that we will click on that add new category and the category will be added. After that we have a tag option. Click on that tag. We will add a new tag, web development. Also provide the slug name and provide the description about the tag name. And we will click on that add new tag and the tag will be added. This tag will be shown and we will be able to add this category and tag to any post when editing a post or adding a new post. The count option shows the number of posts attached to some specific category.